The next question we're going to feature is the true-false question. Okay, I'm going to base it on the same topic. So Mrs. Jenkins' favorite color is purple. Okay, I could true and false, I could leave those. I could change it to yes and no if I wanted to. Okay, and then I'm going to choose the correct answer. So this would be false. Then what I want to do is require correction if false, if I want to. So if I want them to change purple to green, okay, but what I usually do is if false, correct only the underlined word to make it true. And then I take this word and I'm going to underline, right? Now, let's preview the question so you can see what that looks like. Mrs. Jenkins' favorite color is purple. If false, correct only the underlined word to make it true, okay? And go back to edit the question. That'll take me back to the screen and I'm going to save it, okay? That's a true-false question, simple. One thing that I didn't explain on the last one, which I will explain here, is if you want to change the overall point value for any of your questions, here's where you're going to do it. So if I want this multiple choice question to actually be worth 2 points, I would change it directly on this, okay? If I want this one also worth 2 points, okay, I can change it here. So it is very easy to change the point value directly from this screen.